Ito po yung DTF machine po namin dito sa Tugigaraw na nagamit ng 7 araw na may total meters na 128. Ito po ang printer head. Ito naman po yung cupping. Head clean. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Dito naman yung ink tank area. Ang system level is tama lang. Dito naman yung waste tank na nalinis noong Friday. ABR na may 220 volt. And ground wire. Andito naman yung stock namin ng used ink. Unused. DTF film. And DTF powder. Nandito naman ang records na nagamit sa Cyan. Magenta, yellow, black, powder, and white. Consumable output, and printer daily checklist.